In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Admin API Access Token Shopify. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are signing into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, take a moment to confirm you have the right permissions. Access to app development settings is usually restricted to store owners or staff with the proper access. So if you do not see the same options I mentioned, you may need to ask an administrator to update your permissions. Next, look for settings in the Shopify admin, typically near the lower left area of the screen. Click Settings, and then find Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify groups the tools that connect to your store, including custom apps you create for private integrations. Inside Apps and Sales Channels, locate and click Develop Apps. If this is your first time here, Shopify may show an informational screen about developing apps. Read through it briefly so you understand you are working in an area that can affect store data. Then continue into the App Development section. Now navigate to Catalogs. Within the Catalogs area, look for the option that says Get an API Key for Admin. Select that option. Shopify will generate the credentials needed for Admin API access. When the API key is displayed, copy it carefully. As you copy the key, handle it like a secure credential. Only paste it into the system or tool that needs it, and avoid saving it in public documents or sending it through unsecured messages. If you ever believe it has been shared improperly, return to your Shopify settings and rotate or replace the key as soon as possible. Once you have copied the API key, store it in a secure place approved by your team, such as a protected password manager or secure vault, and then proceed with whatever integration requires it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.